So we spoke a little bit earlier about some of the pros and cons, looking at the way that we're headed with 3D and modular and all those sorts of things. So can you talk us through some of the differences between the conventional building in terms of timing, and talk us through like what was the full scope of that build and how long did it take?
Yeah.
And what were some of the things that surprised you most?
Print time of the ground floor from a 3D aspect, I believe from memory was about 17 days, and that's a duplex.
Yeah.
3.9 or 4 metres high, slope blocks are split level, all internal and external double skin walls. So it works out 8.5 days each at that height, with no scaffolding needed, no manual labour, automated, with guys on site obviously feeding the material.
How many people on site with operating and...
So typically they can do it with 2 to 3 people.
Yeah, okay.
Which is very minimal. Yeah, and then in terms of the modular aspect, for instance, with the first floors, we did all the external, internal walls, which is framing, insulation, and sheeting. Takes about 12 hours a house, and that's 120 square metre space, internal and external walls, 3 to 4 bedrooms. And that's all, like I said, your external OSB bracing, your framework, your full insulation of internal and external, and your internal wall linings done. Ready for rough in, pre-roof, finished.
Yeah.
So it's very quick.